Auzu billahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Most Repeated Pak India MCQs series, part number 2, question number 1026. The Battle of Plassey was fought between Nawab Sirajuddaulah and British. The famous Battle of Plassey was fought between Nawab Sirajuddaulah and British. Who won the Battle of Plassey? The correct answer, Nawab Sirajuddaulah. The famous Battle of Plassey won Nawab Sirajuddaulah. Who promoted the canal irrigation system in subcontinent? Feroz Shah Tughlaq. Feroz Shah Tughlaq is famous for canal irrigation system, and he promoted a lot of work in this system. Canal irrigation system are related with Feroz Shah Tughlaq, and he developed a number of canals in subcontinent. In the Battle of Kanwa, who won? Babur, Rana Sanga, Razia Sultana. The correct answer, Babur. Babur won the Battle of Kanwa. Who opposed Deen-e-Ilahi? Mujaddad al-Afsani. The first person, Mujaddad al-Afsani, opposed the Deen-e-Ilahi. Shah Jahan was the son of Jahangir. Who built the Diwan-e-Khas in Agra Fort? Shah Jahan. Who is called the Prince of Builder? In subcontinent, the title given Prince of Builder to Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan was very famous in construction of buildings. Who abolished the celebration of Persian New Year Day? Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb abolished the celebration for New Year Day of Persia. Humayun the Fortunate was the elder son of Babur. Humayun was the elder son of Babur. Hyder Ali was the father of Tipu Sultan. Hyder Ali, a ruler of Mysore. How many Mysore wars fought between British and the ruler of Mysore? 4 famous wars are fought between Mysore ruler and British. All India Muslim League was established and started from Dhaka, 1906. All India Muslim League was established in Dhaka in 1906. Who started Hamdard and Comrade newspaper? Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar started Hamdard and Comrade newspaper. Lord Wavell remained the Viceroy of India from 1943 to 1947. Who was the army commander of Amritsar during Jallianwala Bagh massacre? General Dyer. General Dyer was the commander when Jallianwala Bagh massacre accident occurred. In 1916, Home Rule movement was started by Annie Besant. Home Rule movement was started by Annie Besant. Liaquat Ali Khan joined All India Muslim League was as a member of 1923. 1923, Liaquat Ali joined the Muslim League. Who helped Quaid-e-Azam for the preparation of 14 points? Very famous question. Who helped the Quaid-e-Azam for the preparation of 14 points? Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar helped the Quaid-e-Azam for the preparation of 14 points. Shah Abdul Latif wrote his poetry in Balochi. Shah Abdul Latif was a famous poet and he wrote his poetry in Balochi. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman introduced his 16 point in 1966. The Pakistan resolution was translated into Urdu by Maulana Zafar Ali Khan. Who wrote the Refutation of Materialism? Sayyid Jamaluddin Afghani wrote the Refutation of the Materialism. Who was the first poet of Urdu? The famous question, who was the first poet of Urdu? Amir Khusro. In Shimla Agreement, the ceasefire line was named. In Shimla Agreement, the ceasefire line was named Line of Control. Thanks a lot for watching my video.